i-share sa inyo ha ang mga items nga akong napili from local brand which is from diri sa atong nasod Philippines and foreign brand from lain country. So, first item is this bag, this cutie bag, and ako na siya gipalit sa shopping. So, next item is this eyeglasses, and I bought this in TikTok shop. So, first item is this perfume called Love Always Wins from Thailand. So, next item is this Lenovo laptop made in China.